Filipino Chicken Adobo. You know you want some. I mean, just look at it. Looks delicious. Season some chicken with some garlic powder, salt, and onion powder. Add a cup of water, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, a little bit of minced garlic, some bay leaves, and your chicken to an Instapot. We're gonna cheat. Set it for 8 minutes and wait. About 20 minutes later, you get this. You could eat this right now and it would be absolutely delicious. But we like our adobo a little crispy. Pat the chicken dry so it doesn't pop and crack as much in the frying pan when you take it outside. And set your Instapot on saute to boil the sauce down. Heat up some oil to 350 degrees. Now just fry that chicken till it's golden brown. Pour all that delicious sauce on the chicken, garnish with some green onion, and enjoy. Be sure to check out Dad Got This on YouTube for more recipes and how-to videos. Also, it wouldn't hurt if you would just subscribe. That'd be cool.